தினம்தோறும் விளக்கேற்ற நல்ல எண்ணெய் இதயம் நல்லெண்ணெய்.
Now I ask.
No.
Now I ask. Honorable
We
Minister
don't
of
want to
Parliament-
listen of
Parliamentary Affairs. Yes.
आपको लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन को इज्जत देकर के चेयरमैन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आपको बुलाने दिया है. मैंने पहले भी कहा ये सदन आपको और हमारा मर्जी से नहीं चलेगा, नियम से चलेगा. और ये वही तो बोल रहा हूं. That is what I'm saying. He has taken the time again and again. This house belongs to everyone. You can't take all the space all the time. Sir, नंबर 1, खड़गे जी ने मिसलीड किया इस सदन में. खुद बोलते हैं कि लीडर ऑफ द एल्डर्स माना जाता है. यू मिसलेड द हाउस. आपने बोला कि वहां लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन लोकसभा को बोलने नहीं दिया. ये आपने मिसलीड किया. उसको 40 मिनट्स तक 40 मिनट तक उसको स्पीकर ने टाइम दिया. वो रूल से बाहर बार बोल रहे हैं. स्पीकर का रूलिंग के बाद भी नहीं मानते हुए वो फिर रूल ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. और आप यहाँ मिसलीड करते हैं कि राहुल गांधी को बोलने नहीं दिया. आप ये मिसलीड. नंबर 1,
Minister said, please wind up. Please wind up.
Number 2, leader of opposition said that if Lok Sabha doesn't function, how can Rajya Sabha function? He also said that both the houses run together, which is absolutely wrong. If leader of opposition can show me one rule that if Lok Sabha gets adjourned, Rajya Sabha should be automatically adjourned. Show me the rule. These two houses may constitute together for the concept of parliament, but the functioning of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are different. They are guided by different rules, and there's no precedent that if one house gets adjourned, the other house should also get adjourned. There's no such tradition, no such rule. Out of blue, suddenly today, why Congress party has taken up this issue of what is going on in Lok Sabha? We have allowed you to speak. After speaking all your time, you want to disturb Honorable Prime Minister. What tactics is this? We condemn these tactics of leader of opposition.
Now, Honorable Finance Minister, please.
Sir.
Hey, I am coming. I will give you everybody time. Can I give time to everyone together?
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I respect the leader of the opposition, but I heard him say something that you people lynch. I'm sorry. I want that.